I've got my Margot Elena luxury subscription box. So if you want to see what's inside this season's box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. This is the Margot Elena box. It's filled with brands from the Margot Elena family. So that's going to include the Lollia, Infinite She, TokyoMilk, Library of Flowers, Cottage Greenhouse. There's a new one, I think it's called Archive. So it's going to include things from that family. These are typically scent products. So you usually get one perfume and then a variety of other hand creams, body creams, soaps, things of that nature. With Cottage Greenhouse, you might get a face mask or, some sort of skincare item. But always lovely, and their scents are usually right on it. And if you say, well, gee, I think I might like that scent, I want to go try it out, the prices aren't too bad for their perfumes. They're in the $40 range, which for a perfume I think is pretty reasonable. I will say I do have sensitivities to fragrances. Their fragrances I don't seem to have any problems with. Even if it's a muskier one, no issues at all. So for what that's worth, if you do have fragrance sensitivities, these might be a good thing for you to try. Now this is a seasonal subscription box, and I call it a luxury box because it does feel very luxury oriented by the packaging, even the way they package things in the box. So you open it up and it says Glorious Spring. You get a little card that tells you all of your product MSRPs. And then there's how everything comes. So things come wrapped in little tissue wrap, things like that, to just kind of give it that extra little touch. Right on top here by TokyoMilk, we have their Decadent Salt Soak. So this is from the Honey and the Moon collection. That has sweet honey, sugared violet, jasmine, and sandalwood. This is a new launch and it's a $12 value. And just look at that, how lovely that packaging is. Next, by Cottage Greenhouse, we have a Nourishing Lip Repair Balm with cocoa butter. This is in cucumber and honey. And that's an $8 value. By Archive, this is a hand cream. I was going to say, I'm pretty sure this is a hand cream because they tend to come in these nice boxes. It does say on the back that it is hand cream. This is their Poet at Heart with notes of rosehip and lavender. It says calming. And look at this box. First of all, you can slide this off right here. I'm not going to struggle with it, but you can slide that totally off and have this lovely container to put stuff in. It's so pretty. Like, I have one of their other boxes like this. I store paper clips in it at work. And you would never know that it was from hand cream. So here it is. This is in a metal tube. And that's my only beef, is it has that kind of seal where you need a pokey thing. And I have to stab at it with scissors. And I'm always afraid I'm going to just stab my hand because I am not graceful. So it's a nice thick consistency. Ooh, that is very lovely, very lovely. If you don't like rose, you won't like this. I will tell you that. It's 100% fresh petal rose scent. Not perfumey rose, but that fresh rose scent. And then underneath, I feel like, is the lavender. So my first sniff was the top note of that rose hip, and then underneath of that was the lavender. There's probably a base note that I'll get later on. But right now I'm definitely smelling those two scents. This is a $24 value, so their hand creams are rather expensive. They're very nice. I use them every day. And this is exclusive to this box, so it's not currently sold in their store, on their online store, or in any stores. It is exclusive to this box. It will probably be available at a later date. We have our first wrapped item, and it's perfectly wrapped in this wonderful tissue wrap that I'm going to fold up and set aside because it's totally reusable. I will say, since getting subscription boxes, I don't think I have purchased like tissue wrap or anything else other than at Christmas time. This is the TokyoMilk Dead Sexy Perfume Cream. This has notes of vanilla, sweet vanilla, exotic wood, white orchid, and ebony. And this is a $22 value. Let's take a little sniff. Nice thick cream. Oh, that's very light. Very, very light. I like that. Next, by Infinite She, we have their Bold, Bright, Beautiful Vitamin C or Vitamin E. Vitamin E and Coconut Oil Shea Butter Soap. Comes in little packaging. Little more perfumey than I might like. And that's a $12 value. Okay, we've got another wrapped item. This is by TokyoMilk. It's a perfumed luminary. This is an exclusive to the box. Look at how lovely that is. I don't know if you're seeing that, but those dragonflies actually have sparkles on them. There you go. You can kind of see it. And it says, "Are you curious?" This is a $24 value. I can already smell how fresh it smells. Oh, that's interesting. I gotta see what that scent is. Citrus, zest, rosewood, mimosa, and mandarin. Okay, I like that. Definitely like that. $24 value. This is a box exclusive, so not currently available. All right, we have this tube. This is usually either body cream, bath gel. I can see the Infinite She label. This is their Empowered Shower Gel. It is Orange Blossom Cardamom, Clarity and Focus. I don't know that those are scents, but maybe that's what it's meant for. This is a $16 value. Oh, that smells nice. It's got like a zest to it. Definitely has like a zesty scent. It must be from the cardamom, maybe. Next, we have the Essential Wick Trimmer. So that's to trim your candle wicks. And I am definitely going to be gifting this because I have like 3 or 4 of them, but isn't that lovely? It's a nice one. And that's a $20 value. We have a set of 3 different cards. This is a $16.50 value. We have one that says 0 clucks to give. Oh, that's definitely going to somebody at work. Believe, and the frog has a little prince crown on him that sparkles. And a little something for you. All right, and these are just nice little cards to give out. There's one more item in here, and that's going to be, I believe, the perfume. I kind of felt it and said, oh, I think that's a perfume. I'm going to wait till last. And this is by TokyoMilk. It's the Make Me Blush scent with notes of magnolia, honeysuckle, jasmine vine, and bourbon. I do like that. I think the bourbon kind of cuts off some of the sweeter notes. I don't mind the sweeter notes, actually. I don't mind walking around smelling like sugar. And that's a $48 value. So the entire box has a retail value of $202.50. And I believe the box goes for in the 50s, 58 maybe. When I started, it was 49. And I think it's gone up over the few years that I've gotten it. But I still love the majority of the products in here. I get great use out of them, particularly like if they filled this whole box with hand lotion, I would just be like, I'm all set. I'm so happy. I love their Cottage greenhouse hand lotions because the scents are just amazing, but all of their scents are pretty amazing. So check them out. You might find a product that you just fall in love with. Every now and then I see them at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, so you may find something there, but not often. I don't often find that brand, any of these brands there. They have some great, great items. So let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item? I wish I had smell-o-vision so you could smell all these things, but unfortunately they don't have that yet. But hopefully one day we do, right? All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.